Have you ever stopped to wonder what might happen if you ate a specific food every single day? Could it have any benefits? And what if I told you that it can? But it has to be the right food. And that's where our star of the show comes in. Cardamom. Yes, that tiny, fragrant spice that's often tucked away in your kitchen spice rack holds tremendous health benefits that can truly transform your life. In today's video, we're going to explore the amazing benefits of consuming just 2 cardamom pods a day for 15 days. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into this fascinating journey together. So, why should you consider making cardamom a part of your daily routine? The benefits are numerous, starting with one you might not expect. Imagine starting your day knowing you won't have to worry about bad breath. Cardamom is a natural remedy for bad breath, also known as halitosis. Simply chewing on the seeds can help eliminate any unpleasant odors in your mouth. Studies have shown that cardamom extracts are effective against bacteria like Streptococcus mutans and Candida albicans that cause bad breath. Plus, the major active component of cardamom oil, cineole, is a powerful antiseptic that kills these bacteria. Pretty neat, right? But cardamom doesn't stop at freshening your breath. It's also fantastic for your digestive health. Many of us know the discomfort of gas, bloating, and indigestion. Cardamom can help alleviate those issues. How? By soothing your stomach and making digestion smoother. It's like giving your digestive system a gentle hug. It's been used in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine for centuries to treat digestive problems, and science backs this up. Now, let's talk about something that is crucial for maintaining your health as we age: our heart. Cardamom contains antioxidants that are great for managing blood pressure. Surprise, surprise! A study published in the Indian Journal of Biochemistry and Biophysics showed that people who consumed cardamom daily experienced a significant decrease in blood pressure. This is good news for your heart and your overall cardiovascular health. Think of cardamom as a tiny but mighty protector for your heart. If you have breathing problems such as asthma, bronchitis, or allergies, cardamom could be your new best friend. It helps by opening up your airways, making breathing easier. The essential oils in cardamom work as a natural expectorant, helping to clear mucus and congestion from your lungs. Whether it's during a cold winter or when pollen fills the air, cardamom can provide significant relief. Are you worried about cavities? Cardamom has you covered there as well. It's not just good for bad breath. It also helps in treating cavities. The natural antibacterial properties of cardamom can help prevent decay and keep your teeth healthy. The essential oils in the cardamom seeds act as natural antiseptics, killing the bacteria that contribute to cavities. Chewing cardamom seeds can even stimulate saliva flow, which naturally cleans your teeth. It's like having a tiny, all-natural dental hygienist working for you every time you chew on those seeds. Speaking of fresh breath and healthy teeth, let's not forget about weight management. Cardamom can give your metabolism a little boost. Yes, you heard that right. This spice can help increase your body's ability to burn calories. Plus, its digestive benefits mean that your body processes food more efficiently, preventing those pesky extra pounds from sneaking in. For those of you with diabetes or blood sugar concerns, cardamom can be a great addition to your diet. It's rich in manganese, a mineral that helps regulate blood sugar levels. Research indicates that people with diabetes often have lower levels of manganese. By adding cardamom to your diet, you can help balance those levels, making it easier to manage your blood sugar. Another fantastic feature of cardamom is its ability to support your respiratory tract. If you're someone who struggles with respiratory issues like coughing or congestion, cardamom can provide some relief. Chewing or drinking cardamom in tea releases essential oils that help clear your airways, making it easier to breathe. This is especially helpful during the winter months when respiratory issues are more common. Cardamom is not just good for your immediate health issues, it also plays a crucial role in long-term wellness. For example, it's packed with essential nutrients like fiber, iron, magnesium, calcium, zinc, potassium, and phosphorus. These nutrients are vital for maintaining good health and can help prevent a variety of chronic conditions. Magnesium and potassium are essential for muscle and nerve function. Calcium is critical for bone health, and iron helps keep your blood healthy by aiding red blood cell production. Adding cardamom to your meals can be a delicious way to give your body a nutrient boost. Cardamom also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce swelling and pain in the body. If you suffer from chronic inflammation, adding cardamom to your diet could provide some relief. Chronic inflammation has been linked to many serious health conditions, including heart disease and arthritis. The antioxidants in cardamom help combat this inflammation, making it a powerful ally in your wellness routine. On top of all these benefits, cardamom can also help manage anxiety and depression. The essential oils in cardamom are known to have a calming effect on the mind. Aromatherapy with cardamom oil is often used to reduce stress and promote mental well-being. Imagine starting your day with a relaxing cardamom tea, setting a calm and peaceful tone for the hours ahead. Another surprising benefit of cardamom is its potential to help with urinary tract infections, UTIs. It has diuretic properties, which means it can help your body expel excess water and toxins. This can be particularly beneficial if you're prone to getting UTIs, as it helps flush out bacteria from the urinary tract. Did you know cardamom can also improve your skin health? The antibacterial and antioxidant properties of cardamom make it an excellent addition to your skincare routine. It helps fight acne and other skin infections by removing toxins and reducing inflammation. You can even make a simple face mask with cardamom powder and honey for a natural glow. Cardamom also supports liver health. Your liver is responsible for detoxifying your body, and cardamom enhances its function. It helps the liver flush out toxins more efficiently, which can prevent various health issues. Regular consumption of cardamom can be a gentle yet effective way to support liver health. In addition, cardamom shows promise when it comes to fighting cancer. Studies have found that it contains potent phytochemicals like cineole and limonene, which have been shown to inhibit, delay, or reverse cancer formation. For example, research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food discovered that cardamom had a significant chemopreventive effect on skin cancer in animals. It reduced the occurrence and number of tumors, offering a ray of hope for cancer prevention and treatment. This makes cardamom an exciting area of study in the fight against cancer. Imagine the power of a tiny spice like cardamom making such a significant impact. You might be wondering, how can you incorporate cardamom into your daily diet? It's easier than you think. While cardamom tea is a great way to enjoy this spice, it's incredibly versatile and can be included in many recipes. You can add it to your morning oatmeal, sprinkle it on fruits, mix it into smoothies, or even use it in baking. If you enjoy cooking, cardamom can add a rich, aromatic flavor to curries, stews, and rice dishes. Also, if you love desserts, you'll be pleased to know that cardamom is a fantastic addition to sweets. It's commonly used in Middle Eastern and Indian desserts, like rice pudding, cakes, and pastries. The slight citrusy and floral notes of cardamom can elevate the flavor of your baked goods, making them more delightful. Let's not forget about milk. Adding a pinch of cardamom powder to a warm glass of milk before bed can have calming effects, helping you get a better night's sleep. It's a simple and delicious way to include cardamom in your routine. Now, let's get back to the tea recipe we discussed earlier. Here's how you can make a soothing cardamom tea. Take 3 to 4 cardamom pods, crush them slightly to release the seeds, and add them to a cup of water. Boil the water for about 2 minutes. Then let it cool down a bit. Add a little honey, or your favorite sweetener. To enhance the flavor, you can even add a small piece of ginger or a pinch of cinnamon. Drink this tea once or twice a day to enjoy all the extraordinary benefits of cardamom. Remember, consuming 2 cardamom pods every day for 15 days can bring about incredible changes in your health. And the best part? It's all natural and easy to do. So, what are you waiting for? Start today and witness the transformation in your health journey. Now, I have a little bonus for you. If you enjoyed learning about the benefits of cardamom, you're going to love what I have next. Did you know that eating just 2 cloves a day can do wonders for your body and health? Yes, it's true. Click on the video appearing on your screen right now to learn all about it. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Go ahead, click and discover even more about the amazing world of natural remedies. Thank you so much for joining me today. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.